Hello, guys. I am back faster than I thought. Um, I've got great news because I think my problem is solved. After I had this issue for over a year, I think I solved my health problem in less than 5 days. It's crazy, it's unbelievable, and it's totally absurd. And it's hard for me to believe, and it's probably very hard to believe as a viewer who watched the last video. Um, you are 100% going to think that I'm kidding you, but I'm not. I swear I don't have a reason to. So, as you saw, I had this burping issue for over a year now. And after the last video, I read your comments, the few comments, but they were very kind. And one of them was kind of questioning if I was just swallowing air. And I was kind of like asking myself, okay, this person now thinks that I'm trying to bullshit him. And I thought, well, this is absurd. I'm not. This is obviously my health issue. I'm not bullshitting you, and I wrote this answer under the comment that I'm not bullshitting him. And the day after that, I had a doctor's appointment. We changed up some medications to see if that would help. And the day after that, I thought about this moment of or about the comment of swallowing air. And I don't know exactly when, but I stumbled upon something called aerophagy, aerophagy, which is a disease or a psychological induced disease that seems to come from psychological stress. It's the unconscious swallowing of air. And I read this. I was just Googling like I do. I did it a lot. In all this time, I researched what could it be. Um, I read thousands of times pretty much that I should eat slower and whatever. I always thought, well, this can't be it. This is total nonsense. But I read of this phenomenon or this kind of, yeah, thing that's called aerophagy, subconsciously swallowing air. And I realized, well, it's absurd, but I should kind of look into my breathing. And I promised to myself, well, okay, I'm completely focusing on breathing now. And I did. And in the morning of the next day, I completely focused on my breathing. I only um, breathed, breathed. I was only breathing through my nose all the time. It was really weird for me. And because I was so focused, it felt really weird because who focuses the whole day on breathing? But I realized that I had an urge to do a kind of inhalation with my mouth like this. I swallowed air and it kind of cycled through and came out again. And this was a crazy moment. And I felt so ashamed and stupid. Um, and I still do, because this is I had issues in the past because of probably my mental kind of health. It's not serious issues. Never had serious issues. Um, though I do have kind of a lot of stress in my um, bubble. Kind of people around me do kind of stress me out a lot, and because of this, I had some lighter issues in the past that I'm not going to talk about further here. But this is something I 100% believe is the issue. I started subconsciously swallowing air due to a certain kind of extreme health situation I had last year. I had a very serious um, situation and felt really bad, and I had a lot of fear of losing my breath. And I think that I probably started breathing wrong at this point in time, and I probably started doing this from then on. This is 100% absurd, and if you think this is bullshit, you're free to go. You're totally allowed to do this, but I'm 100% sure that this is a breathing thing. I'm really ashamed. I'm. It's yeah. I'm ashamed. It's also embarrassing. Totally. It's totally embarrassing. Um, I took so many different medical tests and had all those kind of different pills to treat my stomach. And I'm just an idiot who couldn't breathe right. This is mind baffling to me. It totally is. Still, my mother, my family are very happy for me to kind of have fixed this issue I had. Everyone knew it was severe burping, and if you struggle with things like this, like I showed in my last video, it's probably a thing of maybe breathing wrong. Focus on your breathing, eat slow. This is, I don't think that's the problem for me, but it might have been a part of the problem. So from now on, I'm focusing on eating slower. It's obviously also good for digestion and losing weight and feeling more saturated. But I kind of really skipped that part and didn't really worry about that too much. But from now on, I will. And yeah, focusing on the right breathing seems to have been the solution to my kind of dilemma I had. I'm very happy and I'm very thankful for the comments you guys wrote. They were very nice, and I'm happy to announce that this seems to be going fine from now on, or seems to be better from now on. And yeah, thank you guys. And yeah, this is all I've got to say for now, for today, and on this topic. If you have questions or anything you want me to answer, write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video on a very different topic that's not a stupid health thing. So thank you and